Hello there, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Columns.ai, which is one software that will transform your data into compelling visual stories. They are claiming that this Columns.ai is an AI storyteller for your data. It's an alternative of Tableau, Visme, and Metabase. They are running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. See, code one pricing is 79 USD, and here you can have one user. But if you need more users seat, then you have to upgrade to more codes actually, but other features are same. Everything is unlimited here, as you can see. And see, this software has gotten 20 reviews on AppSumo. Almost everyone is giving here 5-star review, and their overall reviews are 4.5 star plus. So I think the software is really good, guys. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Columns.ai and let's explore how things works here. See guys, this is the home page actually, and before going to the main process, let me show you some gallery or some graphs that has been drawn with the help of this Columns.ai. As you can see here, these are the graphs. These are the sample graph. So let me enter to one. Let's say I will enter to this one. Randomly I'm choosing. So here, see here, this is one graph. You can add here logo. You can write or you can add text in anywhere you want, and you can have different types of graphs actually. And here there have the table view. As you can see, you can switch between table and graph view. Here this was our table, and with the help of this table we have drawn or we have created this graph, and it looks very professional, right? You can simply click on this button, and then this image will be downloaded as png, as svg, as csv, or as json also you can download. Let's say I will name it as demo column, and then I will download it as png. Just click here download, and then see this graph has been downloaded. So in this way it will work. As you can see here, this is the graph. Hope you get idea, guys. And these types of amazing and professional graphs you can create with the help of this Columns.ai. There have the integration, as you can see, there have API, Airtable integration, Notion integration, ChatGPT integration, Docs and Fina integrations is also available. Now let me go to our main work. At first you have to go to your setting. If you want to connect your Notion, Google or Google Sheet, just click on this Google to connect your Google Sheet or Google Docs, and you can also connect your Slack, you can connect your Notion. As you can see, I have already connected my Notion, that's why it's saying reconnect. So these are the things. You can add your logo here, and these logos will be applied on your graphs automatically. If you want, you can have the preference like colors, background, font color, font you can change from here, and font size, etc, etc, you can change from here. So from here you have to set up these things just for one time. You can use API key, that means you can generate API key, and then if you need this API key, you can use this API key. That means you can connect this Columns.ai with other platforms very easily with the help of this API key. So these are the things. Now let me go to our workspace and let's show me how amazing or how beautiful or how easy to create graph with the help of this Columns.ai. So at first what you have to do, you have to just click here on this story. As you can see, I have generated these graphs actually previously. Here you can see the preview, but let me click here on this story to create one new graph. And see, they have three options: analyze data for a graph, edit data for a graph, and continue previous work. Let's say I will analyze data for a graph, and here you there have connect new data. You can connect new data. Also there have some previously uploaded data. You can use this data actually, but let's say I'll connect new data. Just click on this connect new data. Now see, you can import your data from your device by uploading it with the help of CSV file. You can connect your Google Sheet, you can connect Notion, you can connect Postgres, you can connect REST API, you can connect Airtable and Snowflake also. But let's say you can do these things, but I will upload it this data from my device. I have already connected my Notion, and see, with the help of this data I have created one graph previously. Anyway guys, you can do anything that you like. I will upload this data from my device. So I will simply click on this upload a file, and from here I will select one data. Let's say this data I'll select and then upload. Click here on this upload, it will be uploaded. And see here, give a name. Let's say feed data I'll give the name, and here it will be shown uh, as like that. And see, there have these columns, total 5 columns. There have ID, name, gender, value, number of people. In your data, you may have different column, you may have more column, you may have different types of column. That not a problem, right? Hope you get idea. In my case, I have this 5 column, and then I'll just click on this save. So if I click on save, then it will redirect us to this section. As you can see, there have no graph right now, right? Now here you have to add your metrics. So just click on this add. Let's say I want to show the gender. Let's say I want to create one graph, gender versus maybe value. Let's say gender versus value. So here I have selected gender, right? And then here in the key section, I will select value. If I just create it here, this is gender versus value graph. Okay, let me change it. Let me keep here the gender, and then here in the key section, let me keep the value. Then let's see what type of graph it provides us. Okay, I'm getting this type of graph, but see, they have ideas according to your data. It will provide the idea what kind of graph you can draw here. See, it's providing me this idea, sum of number of people by gender in a column chart. Let's say I'll click here and see here. This is the graph here: female, male, then non-binary, agender, bigender, polygender. So according to different gender, we can see the sum of the value. So this is the graph, and see here in the matrix section what they have kept here. They kept here sum number of people, and on the key section they have kept here gender. And you can add different condition here if you want. I'm not adding any other condition. And they have different types of graph. Again, this is bar graph, you can have line graph, you can have pie graph, you can have table graph. As you can see here, this is the table form. You can have map types of graph if you have location data here. You can have scatter, tree. As you can see here, this is the tree graph. And radar graph here, this is the radar graph. Box plot graph here. A box plot requires 5 metrics specified in order: mean, max. So if this data is available on your sheet, then you can create box plot graph also. Then they have word cloud and gauss graph if you have enough data. So these are the things. Hope you get idea. In this way it will work. In this way you can create the graph, you can explore. But see, they have text. Let's say you want to add text here. Let's say I will add text here in this section. So I'll just click here, and then here I'll write here is the text. And then if you want to insert here an image, just click on this image section. As you can see, they have image. And then let's say I want to keep the image here in this section. I'll just click here, and then here I have to upload my image. So let's say I will upload here maybe this image. So I'll just select my image here, and see, just click on this upload. Here the image file is large, they are saying. So I have to upload one different image. Okay, let's say I'll upload one different image here. How can I do it? Let's say here I'll write something. Here is the image, and as the image size is large, that's why it's not showing here. So if you upload here a low resolution image, then I think it will be shown here. And then they have widget. If I click on this widget, and if I keep the widget here in this section, as you can see here, these widgets will be shown. But the thing is, my color selection was not good, that's why it's not visible in very better way. But here, see here, this is the widget. This is one widget that is showing. You can show the average value, percentage value, or total value. And here is the display key only. Let's say sum of number of people you want to display. And if you have any other key here, you will be able to see all your keys, and you can select which key you want to show here. Actually, hope you get idea. After that, they have marker. You can here add a marker. Let's say here I'll add this marker, let's say here is the marker, and see here it's writing here in this section, here is the marker. And uh, you can change the label, you can here clear the title. As you can see here, this is the title, let's say this is the title, and see here it will be shown here. Hope you get idea. And font color, let's say font color will be this color. As you can see, the font color is changing. Then they have the font size, you can increase or decrease the font size, you can change the font family if you want. So everything is changeable, everything is editable here. After that they have option to chat. So here let's say I'll just keep my chat here in this section. So if I just click here on my chat, here I can chat, let's say hello here, and your team member will be able to see here, see these things, and they can also reply here. Hope you get idea. See, I have one message here in this section. You can generate a smart title, you can generate the summarize inside. Let's say I'll generate a smart title. Here the title is already generated. Here's the gender distribution of people, and if you want to generate the summarization of this graph, it will also be able to generate it. Just click on the summarize inside, and then it will be generated. As you can see here, this is the summarization of this graph. Hope you get idea, guys. After that they have space, you can increase or decrease the space from here. As you can see, on left, on right, you can increase or decrease the space. On top or on bottom, you can also increase or decrease the space. You can clear everything, and then they have some tips. Hope you get idea, guys. And here this is our table view. So these are the things. Is if everything okay, and then just click here on this download button, it will be downloaded. Hope you get idea, guys, how these things will work. And you can edit everything, every section, every part is editable. They have the general setting, you can change the color. Yes, see, now these writings are visible. So from here you can change the colors. Yes, I think it looks more good. So these are the things. You can change the canvas background color. Here the canvas background will be, let's say, this color. Okay, here as you can see, you can use gradient. Here you can change the gradient angle. That's really awesome, guys. So every part of your graph will be completely editable. As you can see, lots of edit options are available. After that they have bar setting. You can display values also, and value font family, value font size, etc, etc, you can change from here. And you can highlight. As you can see, it will be highlighted if you enable this option. After that they have y-axis setting and x-axis setting, so you can change this y-axis or x-axis setting also. Then they have metric setting, you can change these settings also from here. So the idea behind is this software is you can upload your data here, and you can design various types of graph with the help of this column AI in just one click. And these graphs will be very professional. You can change every section of this graph, and you can create your graph very professionally actually. Hope you get idea, guys, how this columns AI will work. If I go my workspace, from here see my previously designed graphs will be shown here. Hope you get idea. So these are the things that you will get inside this Columns AI. If you think, guys, you need this type of software for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this Columns AI lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this Columns AI lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Columns AI lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional money. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.